What's up, my unique beauties? Welcome back to another vlog. Happy Tuesday. It's the day before the 4th of July. If you're new to my channel, just hit that like and subscribe button and become a unique beauty. We stand in the line for ice cream. They got the funnel cake truck, the ice cream truck. They got the bouncing houses and everything out here today. That's why people got their chairs, because they're going to be shooting the fireworks later on. Right here, and
yeah,
in the middle of the field.
Make it up there before 7, so stop getting the way at 6:34.
Go ahead.
Dance for a camera.
Yeah, right here. Thank you. Say thank you.
You're welcome. 3 Oreos?
Yeah, 3 Oreos.
And after you make their 3, just keep going. 6 Oreos.
Wow, everybody want Oreos. Come on, Larry.
Don't drop your ice cream. Lick it off your finger. Yeah, hold it like that. There, lick it. That's right.
Taking a show. We out here sitting out here waiting on them to shoot the fireworks. Y'all had to go back home and get my chairs because everybody out here with their long chairs.
What is that one?
Huh?
What is that one? The one behind the funnel cake.
I don't know, sweet thing. It's some kind of sweet booth. I don't want no sweet. I want a food. And the line's so long. I ain't gonna try to talk too long, y'all, because they playing music out here. I ain't stopped recording when I did it. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Hold on. They got this Caribbean nacho.
It's right there. Get it.
And egg roll.
Let's still buy you some on.
Sit down with Cameron. Cameron, sit down.
What you doing, son? Not mom. Sorry, eat a little bit. What mom at? Eating a little bit. I said eating a little bit. Shamana was out here. I know. Well, how long? purple in that shit.
Y'all, we finally made it home from the fireworks. I'm ready to read some of my book that came in by Sir Jakes. Power Moves. If y'all don't got this book, y'all need to go get it. I can't wait to dive in. Okay? Go get you one, girl. Go get you one. Yep, y'all, I'm ready to read a little bit of this book before I go to bed because I have to work tomorrow. I gotta work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'm gonna be off Monday and Tuesday. I'm gonna work Friday with my co-worker because she's gonna be there by herself because one of my other co-workers going on vacation. I went and got me a soda because I've been drinking water for the last couple of days. So I'm ready to dive into this book. Power Moves, honey. Power Moves. I got another book of Sarah Jakes, but this book don't got that many chapters in it. It's not even that thick like the other one. I gotta finish that book myself. I gotta finish that book. Yep. But anyway, y'all, good night, and I talk to y'all in the morning. Good morning, my unique beauties. Happy. Today is Thursday. Happy 4th of July, y'all. It's finally the 4th of July. And I think I said Happy Tuesday yesterday. It was Wednesday. It was Wednesday, y'all. See the wrong day. Y'all, we really enjoyed ourselves last night. I lost my lip gloss. I don't know what the lip gloss is. We really enjoyed ourselves last night, honey. I don't know what my lip gloss is. I guess I put the chopstick on. I guess I put the chopstick on my lips this morning. I don't know what I did with the lip gloss. I put the sunglasses on because it's hot. I put this wig on today. I ain't wearing it in a minute. Yep. I done left my keys. I ain't going back in the house. I done left the keys upstairs in the closet. I work keys, but I'm not going back in the house. Y'all don't know what I'm doing today. Y'all just go with the flow. Because I do not know what I'm doing today. Because I live in an apartment complex and I don't know what nobody else doing. I got some hot dogs and hamburgers to put on the grill and that's it. But other than that, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. little fireworks from Walmart yesterday evening when I got off work. I don't know. We ain't gonna shoot them in this apartment complex though. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to open the vlog up and say good morning and happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm on my way to work. Y'all, I just got off. Ready to go in this, stop in this Dollar Tree. What I was going to Dollar Tree for anyway? I forgot. I just called my sister. We're going to sit over there for a little while because I said I didn't know what I was going to do when I get off. Take my, I'm going to take my grill. My indoor grill to my sister's house. So we ain't got to buy no chocolate or nothing. And cook the hamburgers and hot dogs on that. Because I got to work tomorrow and I'm not going to be out here too late. I'm going to talk to y'all in a minute. I'm ready to go in the store. Got some nice little stuff in here. I got all this shit. I don't know why I got all this, what I got. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm dropping stuff. Over here at my sister's house, I got my indoor grill, and they're gonna put some on the outdoor grill too. Y'all, it started raining out here on the 4th of July. So I hope it stop raining later on so we can shoot the fireworks. Where you going?
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down and hope it. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn to moment. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you?
Girl up in here cooking on this grill, the indoor grill. Y'all see I got my 4th of July glasses on and my little necklace that I got from Dollar Tree earlier. Happy 4th of July, y'all. It's raining in the state of Virginia on the 4th of July. Ain't that something? At the hot dogs and hamburger. The grill jumping. Yep. Your girl got it down pat. Here y'all ready to light the fireworks on the basketball court. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna turn it around so y'all can see this.
That one ain't finished yet. Who is this? I got that thing on me.
We shoot them in different spots, y'all. Y'all, I done finally made it home. Ready to take these clothes off. Get myself prepared for bed. And this wig off my head. I enjoyed myself. The kids will eat their little firecrackers that we got from Walmart. Ready to eat me some salad. And call it a night. I don't know if I'm gonna pick the camera back up, and I don't know if this is gonna be the end of this video. But I'm ready to go to bed, and I'll talk to y'all later, okay?